Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher offline mode error. There's a few options and methods how you can fix this. The first one would be to change your DNS settings. So you're going to go to settings, then go to network and internet, then you're going to choose advanced network settings and choose your internet connection. Click on the arrow, then you will see more adapter options. Click edit, and on edit you will see IPv4. So you want to double click on it and use the following DNS server addresses. You want to try 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, what I also suggest to do is go ahead and use VPN. So for example, I use Privado VPN. I'm going to leave the link in the description for you to check it out. Or you can just use your favorite VPN if you want to. This usually works the best for other people. Now, another thing to try is run Rockstar Launcher in compatibility mode. So you're gonna find your Rockstar Games Launcher, right click on it, then go to Properties. On Properties, you're gonna click Compatibility, and you will run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and also run this program as administrator. Click Apply and OK, and see if the problem was fixed or not. If the problem is still not fixed, you're going to go on your File Explorer, then you're going to click on Documents. On Documents, you want to find Rockstar Games folder. Then go to Rockstar Games folder and delete Social Club folder. Once you have deleted the Social Club from the documents, you want to go ahead to your C drive. On C drive, you want to go to Program Files and find Rockstar Games folder. Once you will find it, open it, then go to Launcher, Redistributables, and Social Club. And here you will see Social Club setup, so you want to go ahead and run it and set it up. Now, if that still didn't fix the problem, another thing you can try is go ahead to Installed Apps. On Installed Apps, you want to write down OneDrive. And if you have Microsoft OneDrive and you don't really use it, you want to go ahead and uninstall it. Sometimes it clashes with some applications like Rockstar Games. If you use it, then you want to go ahead and sign into your OneDrive account and see if once you will sign into it, the Rockstar Games works or not. Now, if that still didn't fix the problem, the last thing you can try out is go on the search bar, write down CMD. Right click on it, run it as administrator. Once you will do that, you want to go ahead and write down IP config /flush DNS. Click enter, and after that, write down netsh winsock reset. Click enter, and now you will need to go ahead and restart your PC in order for this to work. And that should fix the problem. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.